Oh my God, guys, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh God. So I'm doing the latest craze of all of these wonderful scents of the Gain Moonlight Breeze, the Downy Rinse and Refresh and Ocean Mist, the Downy and Ocean Mist, the scent beads. I always have to have my OxyClean. Got to. It keeps all of my whites white. If you know me, you know I love the color white. Then we have the Gain Moonlight Breeze, the dryer sheets. So I am personally going to give you my honest opinion. Let's see if it smells so good. Please, I heard great things. Let's see. Okay, are you guys ready? I am. Let's see. Ooh. I get it. I like it. It's soft. It's not strong. It's not like a floral scent. It's like a really good soft scent. I like it. It is a lot. It is a lot of products. It's like 4 different things just to get the smell, but I don't mind it. I think I might do this again. I think I even might set this up on my subscriptions on Amazon. You know me, I don't like going to the store anymore. I have everything delivered. And you know what? Because I like it so much, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a link. I mean, I would set up a subscription for this. This smells phenomenal. I don't know who came up with this, but I like it. I like it. All right, guys. I got some laundry to do. Talk to you later.